Hi guys, welcome to my course LinkedIn Ads Masterclass All Campaign Creations and Features. My name is Tanmoy Kumar Das. Just to give you a background about myself, I am an ex-Google employee with 15 years of experience into performance marketing. I have been teaching this product in this particular field for the last 8 years now. I teach around Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, LinkedIn Ads to a lot of young professionals, experts, entrepreneurs who want to get into this field and want to learn about it. Just to give you an overview of what we will be learning in this course. So we'll get to see the LinkedIn ads overview, the ad auction in this product. I will also take you through the account structure, the account navigation as well, and we'll understand how different types of ads can be created in this account. We will also spend time to understand bidding strategies, audience targeting as well in this account. I will do a practical implementation wherein we will see how to set up conversion tracking, LinkedIn ads retargeting as well, and other campaigns like lead gen campaigns, video campaigns, direct sponsored single image ad campaigns as well. Also, we will have a look at how to use reports to do data analysis in this account and billing section as well, how LinkedIn bills us for the advertising. I will also show you business manager and certification. I hope by the end of the course, you're able to understand how LinkedIn Ads works. So I would welcome you to enroll into this course and have a great time learning this, guys.